Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. In this video, I will share with you how to prepare for online MCQ exams and how to get study material for preparation. In this video, I will share with you some tips and tricks which will definitely help you. Now, without any delay, let's get started with tips and tricks. Tip number 1 is start your exam preparation few weeks before your exam. Yes, start studying before your exam, not on the day of the exam. This will help you a lot. Tip number 2 is choose a location for exam and keep all your essential things. When you choose a proper location for exam, it will be distraction free and you will be more focused towards your exam. Keep your essential materials and others which will require for online exam with you. Read and understand the guidelines for online exam. Read instructions given carefully. Reading exam instruction is very important, as you can also do some things by mistake which is not allowed in online exam. For example, minimizing the window. Minimizing the window can throw an error or warning during the exam. Let's move on to the fourth point. Fourth tip is log in before the exam time and get focused. Check your computer and your internet speed. See that everything is working properly before time. So log in before 10 to 15 minutes so that you get stable and focused towards your exam. Last tip, technical problems. If any technical problem occurs, do not panic. Immediately contact your teacher. Share your problem with your teacher and get solution for it. So these are the 5 tips and tricks which will definitely help you to excel your exam. Now let's move on to the second part of the video is about study material for online exam. So what are the sources for studying? Number 1 source is book. You have different publication books. You can study from that textbooks. You will also get some MCQs from the textbooks. Number 2 source is YouTube. On YouTube you can get tutorials. You also get MCQs. On my channel, you will also get tutorials of some subject, plus you can get tutorials of MCQs of PHP, soft computing topics. Shall give link of those videos in the description box. Do check that videos to learn MCQs. Next source is Google. On the search engine, on this platform also you can get content for different fields and topics. Number 4th source is websites. Websites contains a lot of content. So many websites are now helping out with different MCQs. Different websites you can get online MCQs, you can download PDF, plus you can also give online quiz. So these are the 4 sources from where you can get your study material. So these are the 4 sources from where you can get your study material. Hope this video will help you a lot for your online MCQ exam. Do watch my coming video which is on websites. In my coming video, I will be sharing 6 important websites from which you can get your MCQs for online exam. With this, get focused for your exam. Good luck. And yes, do not forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to Infinite Learnopedia.